So this is my plus sign. From here I'm going to draw kind of like a circle shape. It will go not really far. So when I see it's look like a number 9 but mirror image, or number 6. So I'm going to draw from here one tilted line, other one not really thick, kind of like this, and over here I will do a little bit curvy, and then I'm going to do one this side, one this side, and I will try to connect with the curvy line and make it ellipse shape. The top of this one I'm going to do curvy line and connect with this line. Same thing I will do curvy here, like a finger over here, and then one over here, and one small one here. It will go up a little bit, and then from here I'm going to curve. So I want this one to be longer and bigger, this one is smallest one, and this one is medium. Now over here I will start this way, I will go here and I will turn. I will do another one, I will turn this one, and I will go and connect here. Here I will do one line here and other line over here, maybe a little bit in here, so then we can show the thickness of the hand. Under this hand we are going to draw kind of like a C or a smiley face, and from here over here I will do 1, 2, 3, and here kind of little bit I will show this is the curve here, and when I'm coming from here I will go little slightly in. Looks straight to me, so I'm going to curve this one. Here we are going to draw one ellipse shape, and from here to this finger, under this one I will start one line. From here I will do kind of like a curvy line here, not really far, almost here. Going to draw the same thing I did over here. So this line we have to make it tilted, not straight. So this one will go here. So this will be also tilted. All of them are going to be tilted this way, but you can do alphabet S. This one is, I want from here, not really high. So alphabet S, and I can do this way. Now in this area, one curve, alphabet U, and then other curve. This one we are going a little bit inside this way. I will start from here, I will go here, and then I will come back here and this way. From here, same thing I will do and curve this one. Now this one is going in little bit, this one will also go in. From here we can do same thing like that. The line, next to the line over here, I'm going to draw one circle. I will leave little bit gap, and from here little bit here, so same, almost same size. So I will do tooth here. Now here I have to do same thing like that. Here I did one, now I will do another one. This tummy part, same thing I will do, and few of them like this here and there. So I made the box and I also traced the whole thing. Now I'm going to do moon. So for that I did alphabet C, kind of like a V shape, and then slowly I will turn this one. Now I'm going to color this area.